Okay, first time for a while. Come out today. It's Sunday, 3rd of June. Beautiful day. I've got a couple of hours spare, so I've decided to come out and we're going to try and use 10 meters today. There's been a lot of activity. The propagation is quite good today. There's a few sunspot numbers, which is a rarity just lately. So today I've brought the FT-817 and the MP1 SuperAntenna, and I've cut some radios for 10 meters. So I'm going to just go for a short walk. I'm up in a local country park, only a few miles from where I live anyway, so you don't have to go many miles to go and play portable radio. You don't have to climb up lots of hills and mountains and peaks. Sometimes on your doorstep there may be just enough open space just to sling a radio into the boot and just to go out and try a bit of radio, a bit of portable. So stick around. I'm going to get the gear out. Today I'm using a camcorder that's just been sitting in the shack unused. It's not a very good camcorder. I can't remember what the make it was. I'll put it into the comments anyway. It's okay, but in low light it's awful. So hopefully plenty of light today, it should just manage to do the trick. I tend to just use my mobile to do recording, but I need to improve on that. So plenty of people arriving on the car park, so I won't hang around talking to a camera, or else I'll attract too much attention. They'll think I'm a film star or something. So I best just get out and walk. It's only about 20 minutes walk. I should hopefully, fingers crossed, remember how to find a little bench to sit on and set up the MP1. So check back in a bit, and hopefully we'll make at least 3 contacts. That's my plan. The goal is to make 3 contacts on 10 meters QRP on the MP1 SuperAntenna. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how we get on with that, eh? This would be good for a little bit of a cheeky dipole up in there somewhere. I'm lost. I should have put a GPS marker on this bench, but I didn't. So I'll keep walking around a little bit around here. Then I may have to just get a Google map out and zoom in. If not, I'll just find a bench somewhere. I'm high enough. And set the antenna up. Let's just keep walking a little bit, and then you never know, I might find it by accident. See you in a bit. Okay, I found a bench. Not the one I was after, but that'll do me. So there's the nicely packed up now. Quite simple to carry. So that's the compromise you make, is it's super easy to carry around with you. Both these are. However, you do lose a lot with the antenna compared to maybe like a dipole with you might need to have something to fasten it up with. and just carrying no battery really, with just an 817 running internal battery. Not ideal because I haven't got much room here to put the radios out. So I'm having to, where the antenna is here, I'm having to lay them out quite narrow rather than spread them out. So I've got, how many have we got here? So I've got 8 radials cut for 10 meters. Okay, so I've got the MP1 strapped to this, clamped to this fence, using the titanium whip. I've got a set of 4 radials there, not ideal, they're running down there. I've slung just 4 over here for the moment, but I may run them on the floor here as best I can. But this is the problem that I've got, is people walking across here, and I don't want to lay radios where people are walking, so I'll make do with what I've got. And today I'm using the FT817, and let's try and flip this over. And I'm using the, I've got the, there we go, the Windcamp battery in there as well. So that'll give me enough operation to be out here for half an hour or so. Maybe longer, but it's quite hot. I've not brought a hat with me. I've got my sun cream, so let's see what we do. Let's see if this is going to be in tune now. I've used the appropriate guide. Where is it? Yeah, so I've used that guide there to try and give me 10 meters. May need some slight adjustment, but we'll see in a minute.
Alpha Yankee. Who do you copy me? Italy Whiskey 0, Hotel Lima Zulu, from Sugar Mike 6, Victor Zulu, Hotel QSL Roberto. I can tell you I'm using only 60 watts, only 60 watts. To the vertical antennas is only 12 meters from the 7 and Delta Alpha CQ10.
2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango QRP.
Secure that 2 Echo 0.
2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango QRP.
Area 2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Kilo.
Echo Zulu Tango Tango Tango.
Echo Zulu Tango. 2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango. QRP 9 Alpha 7 Delta Alpha. Thank you for call. My name is Tom Tango Oscar Mike. Over.
Yeah, Roger, yeah, all copy there, Tom. You are a 5-7 with QSB, QSL?
QSL call, QSL I think call, Charlie Alpha Radio Lima, you're 55, 5x5, 55, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, thank you for the 55 there, Tom. It's a beautiful day here. I'm a portable station using a FT817 and the MP1 SuperAntenna out in the sunshine. Back to you, Tom.
Roger, thanks. FT817, 5 Whiskey, QRP. You're running out 50 Whiskey from ICOM IC 7300, 3-element tri-bender Yagi, and running only 50 Whiskey, 50 Whiskey. Echo Zulu Tango QRP 9 Alpha 7 Delta Alpha, over.
Yeah, roger there, Tom, all copied. Thank you for doing all the hard work with the antenna. I'm using an MP1 SuperAntenna, which is fastened to a fence. So I'm out in the country park, working a portable station. Lots of QSB, so I won't keep you. Thank you very much for allowing me to have the QSO, and I wish you best 73. So 9 Alpha 7 Delta Alpha from 2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango.
Okay, go. Before you go, tell me, what is your antenna, over?
Yeah, roger. It's an MP1. It's a Mike Popper 1 Super Antenna. MP1 Super Antenna. QSL?
QSL, thanks for the information. Many thanks for the QSO. Have a nice weekend. Good DXing from your portable, and good DX also on the 10. Thank you, good luck, and good DX on the till the next time. 2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango QRP 9 Alpha 7 Delta Alpha 73.
Yeah, 73, Tom. Yes.
Core intermittent band 3 Alpha 2 Norway Lima, over.
2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango QRP.
Echo Zulu Tango, please, QRP station.
2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango QRP portable.
2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango, is correct?
Yeah, roger. The name is Carl. Charlie Alpha Romeo Lima. You are a 5555 QSL.
Yeah, thank you very much. No problem, my friend. You are 55 to 55. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, 73.
Thank you. 3 Alpha 2 Norway Lima, core intermittent band.
Lovely.
Papa Yankee, Papa.
Okay, I'm going to have to pack up. Didn't bring a hat with me. The sun's really strong. Managed to get 2 out of 3 contacts that I wanted to make on 10 meters. The radio is absolutely super red hot, even though it's inside my sling pack. The super antenna, I think it's worked quite well on QRP. With 10 meters though, the signals are coming in and going really quickly. So unless you can get in there with a shout, as soon as somebody else beats you to that QSO, that signal can just go again. So obviously, apart from that, it's worked quite well. I put CQ calls out for about 15 minutes, but I got nothing back from it, and I've never got a answer on a CQ call with an 817 and a super antenna. It's probably just not enough. It's just too much of a compromise for QRP. Search and pounce, you can make it work, but at the moment I've not had much joy on 40, 20 or 10 with the 817. I mean, convenience, it just packs up really small into this little bag, and the FT817 with the Windcamp is just a breeze to use. Just pull it out of the bag, switch it on, plug it in. The good thing about the using 10 meters on the MP1 is that you get quite a wider bandwidth when you're tuning it in on 10 meters compared to 40, where you have to really tweak it. Every time you change frequency, you might have to tweak it to get the SWR down. But once I got it set once, it worked across quite a wide bandwidth on the 10 meter band. So it's worth playing with and having in your arsenal. But I would consider using your full allocation of watts with the MP1, especially if you're working with busy conditions or rapid conditions. So I'll head back to the car now. I may even have time to put a 10 meter mobile on, but I'll see when I get back to the car, see how I feel, check the time, and if there's enough time I'll try and get that third contact in, but using mobile rather than portable. So ciao for now, bye bye.